And this is the result of a really active starter. So thanks to Amy Willis at Handful of Bread, or what is it again? Shoot, So thanks to Amy at Traveling Table, she just started a food truck with her bread. All right, thanks to Amy at Traveling Table Co. She just made her food truck, and she's, I think, launching this week. I've been in the habit of making sourdough, and I've gone through a lot of different recipes trying to find one that all of my family enjoys the most. I've been making English muffins, and it's my family's favorite. So, in school starts this week, thank goodness. And so I am going to make a bunch of English muffins. I'm gonna make the eggs and freeze them ahead of time so that everything is made, and hopefully it'll make for quicker, easier mornings. When using a cup of starter, you add 2.5 cups of water, stir it together, a tablespoon of melted butter, and a tablespoon of honey. 2.5 teaspoons of salt. And then you add the flour. You'll add 7 cups of flour and mix it up. Hey, Mare. What are you? Let me see. Your grandma?
Yeah, I pretend grandma.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh, poo-poo.
Oh, gross. So yesterday I made all my dough, and I just fold it every hour. I probably not the right way to do it, but I've been doing it this way, and my muffins are turning out really well. Use my roller with some flour, make it nice and flat. I don't have a circle cutter, so I'm just using measuring cup for my English muffins. And then I let them sit on here for about an hour. Add cornmeal on either side of the English muffin. And yes, we're buying eggs because we don't have enough eggs for our family because we consume eggs like crazy.